Hi friends, welcome to Chessland. In this video, I am going to share with you another chess traps. Sacrifice your pawn, and trap your opponent queen. If you wish to improve your skill, and become a better chess player, this is the correct place. Subscribe Chessland, and keep watching videos. Okay, let us see how it's work. First trap coming from Queen's Gambit opening, and Martial defense. Queen's pawn opening, White to d4. Black to d5, then White c4. This is Queen's Gambit opening. Now Black's turn, Knight to f6, it's called Martial defense. White capture d5 pawn. Now, Black has two options to recapture your pawn on d5. Black can use either knight or queen. If Black capture d5 pawn by his queen, bring your knight to c3. Knight threaten to Black queen. Common response from Black side. Queen moves to a5, because this is a good attacking position, and also White knight pinned. Now you can think about applying pawn sacrificing trap. Bring your bishop to d2. It's a threaten for Black queen. Most common response from Black, queen to b6. Because, not only save from bishop's threaten, but also double attacking, pawn on d4 and pawn on b2. Don't bother about your pawn on b2. Because, that's the one, you're sacrificing pawn. So, move your e2 pawn to e3. If Black accept your offer, queen capture b2 pawn. Then Black queen gone. Let us see how. Bring your rook from a1 to b1. Attacking to Black queen. Now, this situation, Black queen have only one square, a3. Queen goes to a3. Again attack to queen, this time by your knight. Knight to b5. Now let us check Black queen's different squares. Suppose Black queen move to a6. Your knight to c7, it's a royal fork. a5, already bishop there. a3, knight there. a4, White queen there. b4, c5, d6, queen can't move these squares. Only one way, capture the a2 pawn. Then what is your next move? Knight to c7. Double attack, king and rook, you can get rook. No, there is you have another deadly move. Bring back your rook, from b1 to a1. Now a3, a4, a5, a6, rook covered. In b3, White queen, and in c4 bishop attack. If Black queen move to d5, then your knight to c7, royal fork. Same thing will happen in e6. So, there is only one square left, for Black queen, that is b2. Queen moves to b2. Bring your bishop to c3, Black queen trapped. Black can capture your rook, you recapture Black queen. Now you have advantage on this game, you can win this match easily. If you think it's a useful video, please share to your friends. Your support is very important. Show your support as likes and comments. For getting more tips and tricks, please subscribe Chessland channel. Okay, thank you.